If you want to permanently delete your Zomato account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your account is removed completely. Step 1. Open the Zomato app or website. Launch the Zomato app on your mobile device or visit the Zomato website on your computer. Make sure you are logged into the account you wish to delete. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to your account settings. In the app, you can usually find this by tapping on your profile icon. On the website, look for your profile name or icon in the top corner. Step 3. Find the delete account option. Scroll through the settings menu to locate the option for deleting your account. This may be listed under privacy settings or account management. Step 4. Confirm your decision. Once you select the delete account option, you will likely be prompted to confirm your decision. Read any warnings or information provided, as this action is reversible. Step 5. Provide feedback optional. Some platforms ask for feedback on why you are deleting your account. You can choose to provide this feedback or skip it, depending on your preference. After completing these steps, your Zomato account will be permanently deleted. Make sure you have saved any necessary information before proceeding, as this action cannot be undone.